Good morning all. Welcome to Shri Purnima. This is Jyoti. So we are having a small home-based store located at Sadashivam Nagar, Madipakam, Chennai. Okay. So we deal with different types of sarees and dress materials. The shipping charges is 60 rupees within Tamil Nadu and 100 rupees rest of India. COD is also available. COD charges is 100 rupees extra to the product and the shipping cost. So the dispatch is happening all over India now. We will dispatch worldwide also. The shipping courier service which we use is DTDC and delivery courier service. Okay. So today I have some Kanchi silk blend sarees. It's a semi silk sarees. Okay. All of them are priced at 1500 rupees. Some of them are handloom sarees. Okay. So I will explain the details along with the saree display. So if the video is a little blurred out, kindly let me know. Okay. Yeah, so this is the first saree. Okay, this is a pure handloom saree. It's a yellow with grey combination. All are Kanchi sarees. Okay, it's a semi silk saree. Okay, it's not pure silk, it's a semi silk sarees. Okay, silk blend sarees, whichever you can call. It's a yellow with grey combination, light grey combination, dark mango yellow combination. Okay, you have the Kanchi peacock butta in the body part. Okay, so you have the peacock butta along with the embossed designs. Okay, this is how the body part will be looking, and a light grey combination. Okay, you have this kind of zari work, and also the pallu comes with light grey. Okay, a simple but very elegant color combination. So this is how the pallu will be looking. So hope you can able to see the designs. Okay, it's a very different design. Also you have the blouse piece with embossed part. Okay, so this is the blouse piece, a contrast grey color combination as like the border with the embossed design. So you have the peacock and the embossed designs like this here. So this is the first saree. All of the sarees are priced at 1500. This is a pure handloom saree. Okay, so this is how the saree will be looking. It's a yellow with light grey combination. Okay, mango yellow with grey combination. For all the enquiries and orders, please take up the screenshot. Okay, so you have the blouse piece contrast. It's a grey color. The blouse is also having the embossed design. This is the first saree. It's a mango yellow with grey combination. COD is also available. COD charges is 100 rupees extra to the product and the shipping cost. So you have to calculate 100 rupees extra for the order including the shipping cost. Okay, that COD 100 rupees is the processing charges which has to be paid to the courier service. Okay, so this is the second one. It's a orange with blue. Okay, so it's a royal blue combination. You have this kind of a zari work in the border. You have a very rich work. This is also a handloom saree. You have a very rich pallu, a grand pallu. Okay, it's a royal blue pallu with orange. The combination is again very different. Okay, so this is how the pallu will be looking. And I will show you the body part. The body part will be a plain embossed, but the border will be having a rich look. You have the getijeri along with the peacock in the borders. Okay, both the sides same size border. Okay, both the sides same size border. All over the body you have the embossed simple design. A diamond shaped design embossed, and you have the plain pallu. Plain blouse piece. The blouse also has that same diamond embossed along with the borders. Okay, this is the blouse piece, a plain blouse piece with a plain saree. So this is how the saree will be looking. These are priced at 1500. This is also a handloom saree. It's orange with royal blue color combination, a very rich border pallu. Both border and the pallu is very rich. So you have the peacock designs along with some kind of floral design. So this is how the second saree will be looking. The price of these sarees are 1500. These are Kanchi silk blend sarees or semi silk sarees, whichever you can call. And the third one, it's similar to the first design. Okay, it's the first design which I have shown in the mango and grey combination. The design is very similar, but again the color is different. It's an orange with a dual shaded one. It's a blue with purple combination. So that's how the pallu will be looking. So this is orange with purple. Okay, dual shade. The purple and blue combination will be there in the pallu and blouse piece. So it's orange with purple. We can keep it as the base color is a purple. So this is how the saree will be looking. You'll have the peacock design embossed. Okay, sorry, peacock zari work, butta work, okay, and also some spade kind of design embossed. And the pallu is again very different and nice. Okay, this is a pure handloom saree. Okay, it's a Kanchi handloom saree directly from the weavers. So this is how the dress saree will be looking. And pallu and the blouse piece, you have the purple color. It has a two-tone of purple and blue as well. So you have the designs embossed as well in the blouse piece with ketijiri border. Okay, so this is how the saree will be looking. My WhatsApp number is 9150556870. Please take the screenshots for all the orders and enquiries. The dispatch is happening all over India now. So the delivery time will be varying from 2 to 8 working days depending upon the distance. Okay, this is the third saree. It's orange with purple combination. So this is similar to the second one. Sorry for the confusion, I would have kept it correctly. So this is like the orange blue combination, but this is the blue with sky blue with pink combination, the usual color. Okay, the traditional color. So since my mother's marriage, I have seen the same combination. So this is how the color is there, but the design will be very, very fashionable. So this has the same designs as like explained in the orange with blue combination. And you have the same kind of pallu, a peacock with a floral designs, and the blouse piece, okay, pink with borders. So this is how the saree will be looking. This is also a handloom saree. Sorry. So please take the screenshots for all the enquiries. I have mentioned my WhatsApp direct link also in the description. So it's a sky blue with pink combination. So this color combination has been once a very favorite for some people. And this is the next one. You have a very different border here. Actually, even though it's a semi-silk, the look will be coming exactly like the original Kanchi silk. Okay, so the fabric will be very, very silky. Okay, it's very, very silky and also soft. The fabric will be very, very good. This is the next one. You have the double border here. Okay, so you have this kind of border. Okay, a multiple design weaved along with the border. So you have the butta, you have the peacock, you have floral, you have getijiri, everything here. So the border is very different here. And the pallu, a full grand designed pallu. And this is the blouse piece. The blouse comes with a pink color. Okay, as the border and the blouse will be pink color. Okay, orange with pink combination. So you have the embossed designs in the blouse as well, and the border will be same in the blouse as well. So this is the next one. Okay. So this is the next one. This is how the saree will be looking. All of them are priced at 1500, 1500. The quality will be very, very nice. These are directly from the Kanjipuram. Okay, it's direct Kanjipuram. These are original Kanjipuram sarees. And next comes some borderless collection. Okay, 2 sarees and the borderless. So this is how the saree will be looking. It's a parrot green color with purple shade. So it's a borderless peacock butta saree. So this is how the saree will be looking. It's a parrot green color, light green color. The green will be slightly varying in the video. Okay, it's a direct peak parrot color. Okay, it's a light green shade with purple combination, a very rich pallu. Okay, a very rich pallu. It's a golden pallu, it's not copper. Okay, it's a golden color only, but in the video it is coming as copper. Okay, a slight variation is there again. And you have the blouse piece. The blouse is having a two-tone. It's a purple and green combination coming. Okay, it's actually a purple shade, but in the blouse you get the two-tone along with the embossed peacock design. So double peacock designs embossed in the blouse as well, along with the sari. So this is how the sari will be looking. It's a borderless sari, handloom sari. Okay, these are directly from the Kanjivaram. Okay, these are the fabric is semi silk or silk blend, whichever you want to say. So the same design I have in mango yellow also. So this is a mango yellow with pink combination, same design. Okay, a double peacock butta having in the body part. Okay, it's a mango yellow with pink, a brighter sari. Okay, this one is a little brighter. Okay, this is how the sari will be looking. You have the embossed design and also the peacock butta here. And the pallu, the same design like the previous one, but in pink color. A very rich pallu. All the saris used a gold color, nothing is in copper. Okay. And you have the pink color embossed plain blouse with embossed designs. So this is the next one. These saris are priced at 1500, 1500. COD is also available. It's a mango yellow color. The color is mango yellow. Okay, the color is slightly varying in the video again. All the pictures we take are all real pictures. Okay, we directly use only the sunlight or the tube light for the pictures. So mostly we will try to get the real colors. So one or two, there might be some chances that we miss the real colors. So please refer to the video and also the pictures. If you still have any doubt on the colors, please ask me for the real pictures. I am very willing to share all the collections. Okay, all the real pictures as well. So this is the next one. This sari will give you an exact look of the Kanchi silk. Okay, it's a little weighter also, okay, than the previous one. Little weighter means it's not heavy weight, but before the previous collection, this one will be a little weighter also. This gives you a very silky finish. Okay, so this is how the sari will be looking. You have the embossed design and also this kind of a butta along with a designed border. And this is the pallu, a very grand pallu again. And you have the embossed blouse piece as well. Okay, these are all having the embossed blouse piece. It's not plain, nothing comes plain here. So you have the embossed designs along with the borders here. So this has a two-tone finish again. So this is how the sari will be looking. Please take the screenshots for all the enquiries. So these saris are priced at 1500, 1500. The quality of the silk will be very good. These are semi-silk saris. You get the actual silk feel here. And the next, this one Rama green, as like the previous one. So this is like the previous sari, but in the Rama green. It's not blue color, it's a Rama green color. Okay, it's a Rama green, not exact green, it's a Rama green. So you have the combination like blue and green color. Okay, so this is a pallu, a very rich pallu again. And you have the blouse piece, a pink one. So this is how the sari will be looking. It's a Rama green. These saris, all the saris have a very nice quality. You get the exact Kanchi silk feel here when you wear. The sari fabric is also very light. Okay, this is a little heavier but not very heavy. Okay, so you get the the silk feel will be very good. So these are the sarees I have for today. This color is a Rama green shade, not the blue shade. In the video it's coming as like blue. So the Rama green will have always some issue with the coloring. So to get the right color, we really work hard for that color. So this is the collection I have for today. By Monday same timing around 10:45 I will be coming up with next set of collections. I'm hoping to bring some casual low range dress materials. Okay, so that's all for today. Stay tuned. Please like my page. Please keep supporting. So I am repeating the shipping charges alone. Shipping charges is 60 rupees within India, sorry, within Tamil Nadu, and 100 rupees rest of India. Okay, for singles. Okay, for multiples, please check with me prior. So COD is also available. COD charges is 100 rupees extra to the product and the shipping cost. So the product cost plus shipping cost plus 100 rupees per order has to be calculated. So that's all guys. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Keep supporting. Have a good day.